Hey, what is going on, guys? It's OverLordKratos here, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to configure a group manager file. Um, just giving you guys like default groups here as builder, mod, admin, owner. We can also do another one here too. We could do GM because a lot of people do request it. So I'm just going to be showing you guys here how to properly like make yourself a group file, because everybody's been asking me questions and I don't know what to tell you guys. Like you guys aren't explaining much, so I prefer just doing a video to show you guys that how to properly work a group manager file. So if you guys give me a moment here, I'm just going to finish up this here and suffix. Anyway, all right, so here I got, several groups. I got owner, GM, admin, mod, builder. So what you're going to do here is I actually got something else here. I'll make sure I save this. Saving's important. So as of here, I got a list of stuff that I have in for my plugins. If I go to my plugins, all my plugins will be here. Any of these plugins here, if you guys want to request, I'm going to try to make them bigger so you guys can see. Anything you guys want me to request, I will do a video about it. So I got autosave, I got chess shop, creative gates, the din map. I actually might do a tutorial of din map here. So essentials, LWC, jobs, blah blah blah, so on so on. So anyway, what you guys got to know is you guys got to know how to use nodes properly. Nodes is what's going to control who's going to use what and who's going to use whatever command. So as of here, in your permissions, this is where you're going to want to always put them at. So I got chessshop.shop.create. So what's this going to do is this is going to allow a normal builder to create a chess shop that's going to be in-game, and as well as to buy from someone and to sell from somebody. If I were to just put chessshop.shop, nothing would occur, and you would get plenty of errors in your I guess server. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you guys some of the simple things that you really need to just throw in there. So let's do spawn home, delete home, and help and AFK. So we are going to do, so we're going to we're going to get rid of this. And remember, it's always got to be a line first. If you're going to do any simple commands from essentials, you always got to write essentials first dot spawn. So with that command, I am once I reload the server plugins, enabled to actually use the server commands. So we're going to do this again, essentials.home, essentials.r, r is just reply, essentials.msg, essentials.del home, pretty sure it's del home anyway, essentials dot AFK, and essentials dot help. Alright, so these are basic commands. Control S. These are basic commands that builders can use. They can use home, spawn, blah blah blah, so on and so on. So remember, if you're going to use any kind of command, there is actually something you guys can look to. If I can find it for you guys here really quick. Testing, plugins, essentials, configuration. I'm going to open that with Notepad+, just to show you guys. So they got a bunch of stuff here. So players command, AFK, auto AFK. So this is where you can actually go to see what kind of essentials, plugins you can, not plugins, essentials commands that you can use. So this is what this is what I do. So you can get like the IP, you can get the position you're in, you can find how deep you are. So if you guys really want to use any of this stuff, go for it. I can show you guys properly how to use signs later on, but this is going to be a long video, so I hope you guys stay around. I really hope this can help you guys. So anyway, let's get rid of this. One of the biggest things that you guys ask me is for owner or GM or admin group manager issues here. There's actually a website that you can go to, which is this here. I can show you guys briefly if you want to use group manager commands. So we have a list of stuff here you can use. So there's list groups, there's man demote, there's man promote, there's also manu add and manu del. They do the same thing, as well as promoting and depromoting anybody. I mean, demoting anybody. So what you're gonna do is you don't need a lot of the stuff. Like man who is, it just verifies the person and what group they're in if you guys don't see the groups. Man toggle, validate, you don't really need that. Man save is like saving your world pretty much, as far as I know, or it's saving your group's manager folder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually show you guys properly how to put this in. So I'm gonna do group manager dot. Remember, you can actually use dot star. Dot star means that you can use any kind of those commands in that group manager file. So whenever you put a dot star at the end of any of your plugins, you're able to use every single one of those plugins. It's mostly good for if you want to use it on admins or GMs or mods or VIPs or whatever you guys want to do. So as of this here, I'm actually gonna convert this to this. This here means that the owner can use every single plugin and every single command and every single one of those plugins. So that's another thing that you guys should see is this here. I would strongly recommend it if you guys are owners and you don't feel like manually configuring your own group, if it's only going to be your group. So I do this and then vanish, silent, join, vanish, dot silent, quit, and vanish dot silent chests. I put this in here just because I do have vanish no packet, so this is another thing that you guys can learn. You can join in silently so nobody knows that you join in. You can vanish quit so nobody knows that you left the game or even joined, and then you can check people's chests without opening them or making any noise. So we're gonna go to the admin one here. We'll do it all here. So this is going to be group manager dot manu add. As you can see here, this is what it's going to look like. So that's perfect. We're going to do group manager dot manu. I think it's manu del. That's the other one. Yep, that's the other one you really need to know. Those are the two that I would strongly advise putting in. So if the owner's not on the server, you can have admins actually put anybody configured into their designated groups. So with this, the group manager, you really don't need demote or promote. You can put them in. It does the same thing as far as I know. You don't need any of this stuff in here, really. If you're more of a serious, I guess, server, I would strongly recommend putting these guys in for your for your admin group. But apart from that, don't follow this. Whatever you guys do, do not follow how this looks. Make sure you're typing it as you're typing this, because if you were to put group manager default in there, I'm pretty sure you would crash the server. I'm not gonna lie. So avoid doing this, and just make your group simple. So let's see here. We also got another one that I can show you. So yeah, this is just like to show you how it's default, like how you default everything. So this is how I have all mine set up. This here I wouldn't necessarily use them just because you really don't need an inheritance off of the default group. For the builder, you can put permissions, whatever it is. Same thing up here. I don't see any permissions here because I'm assuming it would have been like a vanilla server. So yeah, a lot of things that you guys got to know is your permission, your inheritance. Your inheritance, if you wanted to not type the same thing in a different group. So for example, if I didn't want to type all these things into a different group, all I would have to do is go down to an inheritance, delete that, put a line there, and type builder. So that tells me that I have all these commands from my building group into my mod group now. So I don't have to worry about typing any of those in. And then you could put in permissions, whatever you feel like putting in. So for me, I don't really need to worry about putting inheritance builder because all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put essentials.star. So that's going to give me all the essentials commands that I'm going to need. So I would have to close this back up again. And another thing you guys ask me about is how do you put the group name in front of your name? There is a way to do it with global groups. Mind you, you're supposed to do this in front of all of them. I'm used to not doing this because I really don't mind the global groups. I just end up putting the name here. So what I would want to do is I would want to find a color that I would want to use. So I would put the that symbol and put 4. 4 is a dark red color, which is pretty nice. And then from here I would type in owner, and then I would put this, which would change my thing back to white. If I don't put the F in front of it, it will just make my whole entire name red no matter what it is. So this here will show you guys how to actually, put your group name in front. It's an easier way for me to do it. Everybody's telling me that it doesn't work properly. Mind you, I know it works just because I have a server up and running that has it, and these are the groups that I use. So for the people out there who have told me that it doesn't work, I would strongly recommend trying this out. You can do this on any single group as long as it's sitting in your prefix. Apart from this, there's really not much more I can go over for it. Like I said, nodes are really important. If you guys are going to look anything up, look it up on Google and type in whatever plugin you want to put in. So you would type in, for example, essentials space nodes, and it would come up with what you got to know. And every time you want to use a certain command, make sure you have to put the plugin first, and then the dot is the directory for it, and then the name of the command that you want to have. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. As I can show you guys here, I got join jobs, job name, world name. Then I got the essentials, anything essentials, lwc.protect. Group manager, menu del. This is a global add, a global delete. Essentials, they also have butcher. So it's all pretty just straightforward here. But anyways, guys, if there is another question that I have not answered for you guys, please let me know in the comment description below. I can't really help you guys out if you guys are telling me, oh, well, this and that. I want to see if you guys can give me a print screen of what's going on, or send me your group manager files so I could see what you guys are working in with the list of plugins, because I can't really help you guys out if I got one person saying, oh, I got errors and I don't know what's going on. Well, I have no idea what's going on either because I don't know what I'm looking at. So if you guys ever need anything, just let me know. Send me a PM on YouTube. Go subscribe to, go like my Facebook page. If you guys really need anything, it'll be in the description below. Go follow me on Twitter. If you guys ever need anything else, message me. Just please, if you guys are going to message me and you need help, I need to know what's going on for one, and I need the list of your group manager files so I can help you guys out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Request me any more videos that you guys want to see. Please, I am willing to help you guys out. So come subscribe to me, come be part of the OLK team, and I really enjoy everybody who is subscribed to my channel. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.